Hey beauties, it's me Evie, and I am bringing you a haul from Temu. You may be like me and you may have been a little iffy about Temu, but think of it like an Amazon and how they have the things that you need and want, and that you're going to pay really low prices. Temu is excellent for giving coupons and texting you when you have something that you want on discount. I love them for that reason, and I also need them not to do that because I want to buy everything now. But so let me just tell you a little bit about Temu. So first of all, the first thing you need to know is Temu is just like Amazon. You order things, you get them for a discount. If you don't want them or don't like them, or there is something wrong with them, you can return it for free. I will have a discount code in the description, so check that out. I would love it if you would use it because that would help me, and it would give you an extra 30% off if you are a new user. So remember that. So if you haven't ordered from Temu, use my discount code, get 30% off already really low prices. What Temu has to offer? Everything. It's low prices, fast shipping, products are good quality. The same items are cheaper than other websites. Free shipping, free returns. Shop hundreds of things under $5. And they do use Afterpay and secure payments. And if that's not enough, you can also become an affiliate. And this affiliate program, literally, you can just have a lot of friends. You don't have to have a following or be a creator. You can just offer this code up to all your friends. And if they've never used Temu, they will get the discount as well. So if you want all this information, just click the description and all this will be there. So what do you want to know what I got? Well, I thought, because I'm always trying on clothes, that I should have purses to go with some of these items that I'm always trying on. You know, give you a whole little look. There's that. And they come in these cute little zipper bags that are so good for so many things. Let me get them all out and then I'll come back and show you what I got. Okay, beauties, as always, the links and the names of the bags and everything you need to know will be in the description, I promise, and also my discount code. So the first bag we have is letter detail canvas bag, and this would be perfect for a work bag because it is zippable like here, and it's canvas. You'll be able to wash it. It has a big pocket over here, and then it's just open. But the even nicer thing about this bag, the big shoulder bag, I've kind of learned to do a crossbody over the years because it doesn't hurt your back as bad, and plus it doesn't fall off, and if you're sitting a lot, it's good that you have a way to hold on to your bag. It's just nice. So this is a nice big crossbody, and if you're the smaller size, it will of course be longer on you, but for me it just sits like right there, and that's fine, honestly, because it's a whole look. I mean, mood. It reminds me of that little girl on TikTok that always has like her little outfits and she's like mood. So yeah, that's what makes me think of that. And I like this. This is really nice. I feel like it could be a great travel bag. It could be a great work bag, or just hanging out in the city bag. You know, anything that you want to do with this bag. It's adorable. I love it. And I could totally see myself using this bag quite often. Mood. And if you don't like the big strings, I might also add that this is an option as well. I like that option a lot. I like to walk with my hands, my purse in my hand, and even with the big strap out usually. I just think it's cute when it hangs. So I would probably tighten this back up and then just carry it by the straps. Anyway, it's a mood and I like it. This bag was $9.99. To get our crossbodies out of the way, let's show you this casual nylon bag. This one is waterproof, so this would be great for traveling. You know, you have to get out at the rest stop. You have to put hand sanitizer in here. Have your phone right by your side. Maybe you have a kid that has asthma and you need to put a bag on them with their inhaler, or maybe your kid is allergic to everything and you have EpiPens that you need to keep on them. This would be perfect for you to carry or for them. You can put a wallet in here. A mama could put a couple of diapers, a bottle. A beauty guru could put some makeup stuff in there, and like when she's on the go. This one is plenty big. Could have all your little things that you need in here. If you're doing a lot of people's makeup, I don't know. It's something, I think. But anyway, so there's that. It'd be good for you or a kid. You can make it around their waist. Around my own waist, I could put this most likely if I took the patience to get it down there. So yeah, this bag, totally see myself using it. It says sport on it twice right there. This little lift up leather. You cannot remove these, but you can carry this on your shoulder, a cross bag, or around your waist. And then it even has this bag back here, so if you want to put like your money back here, or like your passport, driver's license, whatnot, credit cards, it won't have to be in the main section that you would send your kid in for a wipe or something. So it's got a lot of cute little pockets, and it is waterproof. This bag was only $7.49. I'm like shook. Next bag is like a clutch, and it is representing a bag that a lot of people have, or a lot of people inspire to have, which is me. So let's show you this cute little bag. Oh my god, I would totes wear this as a clutch. I love wearing a clutch. I mean, like, look how cool that looks. Little zipper on the inside. And it's not very, you know, stretchy. So unless it's money, I probably wouldn't put it in there. And then it's got a nice little roomed baggy area. And then you can take this and you can have you a strap. Oh. Has a little shoulder ditty if you wanted to do that, But mostly I got it for the sole purpose of the clutch. It's clutch, like really clutch. And you know, you can just like tuck in the string. You don't ever have to take it out unless you just really don't want it in there. But yeah, and it stands up. It has a good little width to it. Isn't it? This is the best. And can you guess the price on this? So this is not leather. Obviously, it is fake leather, and it is reminiscent of a very high-end bag. And it's just adorable, and it's lightweight, and best of all, it is $8.99. I wouldn't be scared to death to carry this one. Now this next bag was the bag that I was most excited to get. It is a leather embroidered tote, and it's a straw square bag, versatile, and you're gonna recognize it. That's right, they have the tote bag. Oh, I've been wanting one of these so bad. I'm not sure what this is for over here, but it's there. You can obviously carry it by the wrist. I love this bag so much. It's so cute. It's so me. It has a strap, but honestly, I would never use the strap probably except for decor. And like I said, I like the way they look when they have these on there. So let me just show you that. You think that's for like an umbrella? I don't know, honestly. Okay, so there's the strap, and it will, you know, it's to walk around with, hold it. It's a really good length for that. But other than that, I would have it, I would probably do it like something like that. Or I would shorten it where it just hung like right under. Yeah, that's probably what I'll do. I'll probably shorten it to here, and it'll just be like that. I will be using this bag soon. And this bag was only $13.19. So for $13.19, you can have you one of these. And for our last bag, it is a Trendy Hobo fake leather bag. This is honestly not something I would probably ever carry unless I had a dress that needed a little styling. And this bag would surely do that. It's very lightweight, very cute. It just has a little snap on it. No pockets. It's got quite a bit of room. You could probably, I mean, even if you were going to the theater and you wanted to pop in a soda and some candy, it would be great for that even. So, yeah, so it could be used for a lot of things, people. I'm just saying. It's a cute little bean bag. This bag is $3.99. So a touch of style. Can you just, it's a cute little bag. You can use it for style. It's not my personal favorite, but I thought it would be adorable with a certain outfit. So that's why I picked it up. It matches with the glasses. All these purses were under $50, and they were gifted by Temu, and I appreciate that so much, and I wanted to bring them to you. My favorite bag, it's the tote bag, but honestly, I love them all. And I think they're all good for what they are. Like, you don't want to have an expensive bag when you're traveling. You just don't. You ruin things. Both of these would be great. This one you could literally wash. If you didn't, like if you wanted to carry it on the plane with you as a bag and you're like, oh, I need to get these germs off of this. Wherever you get to where you're going, pop it in the laundry, pull it out, germ free. Yay, let's go. Same, you could wash this down, rub it down. It would not affect it. I'm pretty sure you could do the same with the leather or the faux leather ones. I'm not sure. Total. Don't do it to your faux leather, but you can definitely do it to this canvas. You can definitely wash this bag. And so thank you, Temu, for offering such good pieces of merchandise. Thank you for gifting me this. And remember, beauties, that you can all the information for these purses in the description. There is a code that you can use to help me out, help you out, 30% off of your first order. So I hope that you have a great day and you go shop. Shop till you drop. Remember to be your own beautiful and like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to know when I have my newest uploads. Remember, you are loved.